This is the day the Lord hath made, he calls the house his own. Let heaven rejoice, let earth be glad, and praise surround the throne. Today he rose and left the dead, and Satan's empire fell. Today the saints his triumph spread, and all his wonders tell. Hosanna to the anointed King, to David's holy Son. Make haste to help us, Lord, and bring salvation from thy throne. Blessed be the Lord who comes to men with messages of grace, who comes in God his Father's name to save our sinful race. Hosanna in the highest trains the church on earth can raise. The highest heavens in which he reigns shall give him nobler praise.